First of all, we will take a middle paper of a magazine. From the pen side, we will remove a couple of papers and then we will open the papers like a magazine we open and start folding from one corner of this rectangular paper until and unless we reach to the opposite corner of the sheet. And now we will secure this corner with the Fevicol and glue it to make a stick. Now we will cut the corners of the stick, or you can say the top and bottom part of the stick 1 inch from each end of the stick, or depending on the height you want. Now we will cut the stick and then we will wrap it with a paper. You can have any paper, you can wrap it with a glitter tape also, but I am using old gift wrapping papers which I have saved, or we can say we are reusing them in this stick decoration. Stick it with a cello tape from inside first of all and then start to roll it. One complete round and then cut the remaining gift wrapping paper and secure the wrapper on the stick with the help of a cello tape. As for the ends, we can either wrap them with the glitter tape or we can do the similar process taking the gift wrapping paper and then of opposite color or the same color, whatever decoration you feel like. I am taking blue color wrapping paper to wrap the ends of the stick. Now you can use a glitter tape at the borders of the stick. I am using a golden color glitter tape to secure the borders on both the ends of the stick. You can use any stickers or any beads to decorate the stick. I am using this stick-on beads to decorate my stick as shown. Now I am applying my kids' favorite cartoon character Bheem on the stick. I am using this Bheem round stickers, Bheem characters, all the characters round stickers. You can use any sticker, any character, cartoon character sticker which your kids like, and you can decorate the stick with either the stickers or with any decorating material like beads, or you can use any threads, colorful threads, the way you like, pom-poms, tassels, anything you like. I am decorating it with the stickers and now my 2 dandiya pieces are ready. Now you can enjoy your Garba night with this child friendly newspaper dandiya.